welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few goodies to show you from Craftsyart. So they were kind enough to send me a few goodies to show all you guys. So let's start with the sort of extra item that they chose, in regards to sending to me, but I really like it anyway, which is always good. So this is a set. I think it's a set. Oh no, it's not a set. So it says it's a 4-piece. Is it a 4-piece? Am I losing it? Okay, the item says it's a 4-piece, but it's a 1-piece. Okay, so I'm not sure if the link that I have for this is correct, but anyway, it's cute. So this one says it's a pendant, whereas they said they were sending me a keychain. And this looks like it has the option for both. So it looks like it can be a keychain or a pendant. Anyway, I digress. It's a little reindeer. That's quite cute. Now this one, while it comes with a diamond painting pen and wax, the actual keyring isn't sticky. So it's a metal keyring. Oh, and it has a magnet on the back, so it can be a keyring, a magnet, or a pendant. Can it be anything else? Multifunctioning. Okay, it doesn't seem to show the multifunctions, but it looks as though that's the one that I've got, that they've sent me, and it comes with silver and red. So it is quite easy to see that you put the red in here and across the collar, and I'm guessing also the nose. A little bit of Rudolph, and then you put the silver in the rest, I think. Yes, according to this, the silver goes in the rest. However, while they have sent me a toolkit, you use glue. So it just advises that you squeeze a little bit of that glue in and then put the diamonds in. So that's interesting. I will have to give that a go and see how that works out. It is weird that it says a 4-pack or 4 pieces. Maybe it's not 4 pieces. I'll have to, when I search properly for the link, it may be that the 4 pieces are the bits that you get in it, and you can actually choose which one you want. I'll have a look properly. If not, of course, I'm definitely going to pop a link down below for that one. So that one is showing up as $5.99, and that's United States dollars. It's the currency this site works in. It will convert to your currency when shopping, at whatever their conversion rate is, but the prices show up on your receipt in dollars, or at least they show up on mine in dollars. Okay, so next one, this is one that I really like the image of. Maybe it's because it's blue, maybe not, but I liked it. And they tend to be the paintings I go for, the ones that I like. So let me just try and make it lie a bit flatter. So this one is $7.99. It is a full drill. It is round, and it is showing as a 30 by 40, which will of course be the canvas size. Does need a little bit of flattening. Doesn't want to flatten. It will though with a bit of weight, because it always has done before. So to confirm, this one's just very stubborn. So to confirm, the actual drill area is just under 25 by, if I can get it to go flat, just under 35. So it has got just over 5 centimetres or 2.5 centimetres around each side, equaling 5 centimetres all over. But I just really like the image. It has 14 colours. All the symbols look really, really clear to me. I'm trying to see if there are any that are a little bit borderline, but no, they all look clear as day. We get a toolkit, which is your basic toolkit, pen, tray, wax and some baggies. And then to show you the colours, it does not want to go flat for the minute. I'll put it under something heavy and it'll stay flat by morning. So the bags are all actually separate, but these are the colours. We've got some lovely blues and purples, and they are done by weight because some of these are bigger than others. But to confirm, we've got number 1, number 5, okay, they're not in order, number 8, number 4, we've got a purple, 13, ooh. We've got a pale green, okay, so we've got them here that I thought that was number 6. That will be number 6 because it's 06, not 90. And that number will just be number 9. Got me for a minute then. We've got some blues and some reds. So we've got 11 and 12. More, lots and lots of blues. I like all the blues. Number 2. And then we've got even more blues. So I like it when a colour is, especially when it is predominantly blue, I do like it to have quite a few shades of blue because I tend to find that the gradients and the shading in the image look a lot better. So I am happy to see a lot of blues in that. But it's 14 colours and there's 14 bags there. We don't have DMC numbers with this one. So if that's something that is really important to you, then sorry, it doesn't. Now I'm hoping the echo in this room has died down a little bit. As I'm filming this, I do have a bug in this room, but please let me know. If not, I might have to move my camera down lower again. Just means I can't get as much in the space. But we can tinker. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Did I tell you the price of that one? Or are we playing that game again? So that was $7.99 USD. And this one is also showing us $7.99. So let's get the prices out of the way. And this one, I like the pop of colour. I think the last things I got from this site had a very nice pop of colour, and this one is no different. So this one is just quite simply a beach scene, but all in sort of pastel colours. So we have got the colour of the sand, we have got the blue, but then it is sort of mixed in with some purples before we get to the sun setting. So it's definitely been digitally enhanced, but I think it makes for a very, very nice beach scene. 30 by 40 again on the canvas size. The actual drill area on this one is 24. Has got a bit of a wider border by about 33.5, maybe nearly 34 centimetres. So we have got a wider border on this one. Toolkit, pen wax tray, no baggies in that one, and we don't have the MC numbers. But for this one, different manufacturer, all the bags are together, but you'll see there is a lot of pastel colours in this. There is quite a few bits where there is a pop of colour, so you do get a mixture of the two, which I think it will make it look really nice and vibrant, to be honest. but of course I'll pop the links down below so that you can see the image in full close up. Symbols on this one, extremely clear. All letters and popular keyboard symbols. No training wheels. I mean, you can see if it's focused, there we go. So, I mean, it's all pale colours, this one. I think they are all, oh no, there is 2 that are white on black. But, oh no, 3, can't count. There are 3 that are white on black, but of course a lot of the colours are pale. So, they are black on the colour. I say white on black, white on the dark colour. You get what I mean. So yeah, so thank you to Craftsyart for sending me these to showcase to you lot. I hope you like them, or it helps you to find out, you know, just what's out there. Sometimes it's just a matter of knowing what's out there. Even if it's something a little bit different to what you'd normally do, but I like a pop of colour and I like my blues. So I like my blues as well. And I will of course give this keyring a go and see what it's like working with putting the glue in, and see, you know, how much sort of time frame, whether it dries too quick or not, or whether I get to do a big batch of diamonds. But that'll be something just to vary it up a little bit. So I'm going to go and put these onto something heavy, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.